Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss lists in Python. So, when to use lists? Confusion, right? So, let us say we have a fruit collection: apple, mango, banana, apple, and you have a container to collect all these fruits. Okay. Now, when you have a container, you can collect all the fruits irrespective that they are duplicated or not. In such situations, you can use list. Got it? Another example. This is the list of prime ministers of India. So, if you carefully observe that Indira Gandhi elected for 2 times, Atal Bihari Vajpayee elected for 2 times, and Narendra Modi elected for 2 times. So the list is having the prime ministers, and some of the prime ministers are duplicated. That means they occurred one more time in the list. So in that situation, if you have a data that is ordered, okay, see this is the ordered data as well as duplicated. So the container should allow you the duplicate and the ordered elements. In such situations, you can use lists. So when to use lists? Now you can answer your question. It depends on your data. If your data items are ordered, that means they follow a sequence, and if they allow change in data item at any point of time, okay, and if they allow operations like append, extend, deletion, and if your data contains duplicates, then I can say that list is a suitable container for you. So selection of your data type is very important, children. Now what is the definition of list? List is a data structure in Python which is mutable. That means it allows changes. So changeable. And the sequence of elements should be ordered. So that's why it is ordered sequence of elements. And each element inside the list is called item. Right? And now let's learn how to create a list. Now list is a data type in Python, okay, which is written as a list of values separated by comma. Now see this example. Here the variable name is even and the values are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and they are written inside the square brackets, and the values are separated by commas. So since Python supports dynamic typing, that means no need to give explicitly the type of variable. No need to declare the type of the variable. So when you ask for the type of this even variable, Python will return you the class list like this. So here I have declared a variable a is equal to, I have written the square bracket, and I have written the values 2, 4, 6, 10 separated by commas, and I asked Python that what is the type of this variable. It returned list. So this is creation of a list. Now let's go to Python interpreter and let's see some more examples on Python lists.